Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in last video we have seen string, okay, and in today's video we are going to perform slicing on string. So I will just create new file and I will save this file as 9 dot string underscore slicing underscore part underscore 2, because this is part 2 of string topic. Okay, this video is part 2 of string topic, so I will save this file like this and I will save it. Okay, now what do you mean slice? Okay, something like cutting off any particular part and just snatching those part and giving it to you. Like if you cut a slice of watermelon, this is something like that. Okay, so here I will just write name equals to Django. Okay, and here I want to perform slicing. Print name, then this will print whole name. Okay, but what if I want you know this I want to escape this D and print this string as J2O. So there I need slicing. So if I write print and I say name, in square bracket I will pass the index number of this string. So indexing can be done in minus and in plus. Now what do I mean like minus and plus? So if you start counting from starting of this string, then it will take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And if I count the index number from back, then it will start from -1. Okay, because we don't have number like -0. Okay, so it will take -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. So if I want to print from J to O, then I need to write 1, then colon, and what is the index value? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it will say 5. And if I run this code, then you can see I got this JANG. Okay, so here I wrote 5. So it is basically ignoring this O and printing this much value. Okay, so if I write 6, then it should give me till O, right? So if you want to write the last value, then it should be index number plus 1, so 6. Now there is one more method. If I want to have a string from J to n number of characters, like no matter what I want from J to 0, okay, then I can just remove this 6. So what this will do is this will search for index number 1, and if we will not specify any index value over here, then it is going to return you whole string after this index number. So if I run, then it is going to give you same output. Okay, now here what if I just don't provide any index value and just do it as it is? Then it is going to provide you whole string. Okay, then if I write let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's say I want to print this much string. Okay, the string which I have selected. So here it is 4th index number, so 4 plus 1, 5, and I will just run this. You can see it skipped this 0 and printed djang. Okay, so let's debug this. I will go step. So it is taking this string assigned to name variable. Now it will print it, and here comes the magic. So you can see now it has got Django and name variable has Django value. Okay, what is the debugger response? Yes, Thorny is not able to perform, but by watching this, output, you can see the result. Okay, now from next video we are going to perform all the code in VS Code. Okay, so Thorny is not able to perform indexing. I don't know why. Okay, so let it be. Now let's talk about minus indexing. I will just write again print name. Let's say I want to print characters from 0 to J. Okay, so here it is -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. So here I will write -1 comma -5. Okay, and run this code. You can see it took, okay, -5. It should be minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it should be -4, I think. Let's say -4 to -1. Okay, it is taking like this. Okay, I need to write like this. Okay, so you can see from -1, so -1 is over here, and I want to perform this till -5, so -5 is over here. So this is known as minus indexing. If you will start counting indexing from behind, then you will need to give in minus. If you start indexing from front, then you need to start from 0. Okay, so yeah, this is known as slicing in Python on the string. Okay, so this is known as string slicing basically. So yeah, in next video we are going to see how we can modify string. Okay, so this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next one.